Outdoor adventures demand shelter that's spacious, weather-resistant, and easy to carry. Introducing the Stable-Ease Camping Tent, a waterproof motorcycle tent designed for camping, hiking, backpacking, and family outdoor travel. With a large tunnel-style sleeping area, it easily stores a motorcycle, camping gear, or accessories. Made from 210T polyester with waterproof coating and supported by 3 aircraft-grade aluminum poles, it's lightweight yet durable. Thoughtful details include 2 doors, multiple vents for airflow, and a quick setup design for hassle-free pitching. Packable into a compact carry bag, this tent offers a perfect balance of space, comfort, and protection for any backcountry adventure. Spoiled food and warm drinks can ruin even the best outdoor getaway. Cool, lasting freshness is a must. Meet the Anchor Everfrost Cooler, a portable, battery-powered cooler with ice-free cooling for up to 42 hours at 39 degrees Fahrenheit. No cords or ice runs needed. Powered by a 299 watt-hour detachable battery and optional 100-watt solar input, it's perfect for off-grid adventures. It cools from 77 degrees Fahrenheit to 32 degrees Fahrenheit in just 30 minutes, double storage space, and features an easy tow handle that transforms into a prep table. With app control, device charging, and eco-friendly power, it's ideal for camping, road trips, tailgating, and remote work. Long beach days demand a chair that offers comfort, support, and portability without sacrificing durability or style. The Water Buffalo Bondi Chair is a lightweight, foldable backpack beach chair for adults that combines function and comfort in every detail. With detachable padded backpack straps, it carries hands-free and folds compactly. The 3-position recline lets you sit up, lean back, or lie flat, while the quick-dry, breathable fabric and beechwood armrests add luxury to any shore outing. It's a heavy-duty, rust-resistant aluminum frame that supports up to 300 pounds. Complete with a removable cup holder, this is the perfect beach companion for relaxation and convenience. Escaping the harsh sun while enjoying the beach is essential for a safe and relaxing outdoor experience. The Ottilie Sun Shelter delivers UPF 50+ UV protection in a portable 7.5 feet tall beach shade canopy that sets up in just minutes by one person. No tools required. Designed for wind support and sandbag stability, it stands firm on breezy days, offering a cool, shaded space for the entire family. Weighing just 6.3 pounds and packing easily into the included carrying bag, it's ideal for beach trips, picnics, and outdoor gatherings. Enjoy sun-safe comfort with this lightweight, quick setup, and travel-ready beach tent. When darkness falls in the outdoors, reliable, versatile lighting becomes an absolute necessity. Meet the Zihu Lantern, a multifunctional camping essential, combining a bright LED flashlight, adjustable Kaobi side lantern, and SOS red emergency light in one compact device. Designed for camping, hiking, power outages, and emergencies, it features a 6,000 mAh rechargeable battery that also acts as a power bank to keep devices charged. Built with a folding, waterproof, and durable ABS body, it includes a hook and magnetic tail for hands-free use. With 4 light modes, USB charging, and even a Bluetooth speaker edition, it's the ultimate portable outdoor lighting tool. Access to clean, safe drinking water is critical when you're off the grid or in emergencies. Meet the ETA Alkaline Water Filter Bottle, a revolutionary portable water filtration solution for travel, camping, hiking, backpacking, emergency, and survival. Powered by IAMF technology, this bottle removes up to 99.99% of harmful contaminants, aesthetics, chemicals, and dissolved solids while maintaining vital nutrients and minerals. It transforms unsafe water into clean, alkaline water with a pH of 9.5. BPA-free and made in the USA, this 28-ounce bottle is lightweight, durable, and fits easily into any bag. It's the trusted, tested companion for staying safe and hydrated, anywhere, anytime.